In this video, I'll show you how to install the add-on vehicle spawner in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you've been installing add-on cars in GTA 5, you've probably noticed one annoying problem. Every vehicle has its own spawn name, and when you have dozens or even hundreds of add-on cars installed, remembering all those names gets pretty ridiculous. That's where add-on vehicle spawner comes in. The mod automatically detects your installed add-on vehicles and puts them into an easy-to-use menu. You can browse the vehicles by class and spawn them directly from the menu. Before we get started, take note that mods are intended for GTA 5 story mode only, so don't try to hop into GTA Online with mods installed. Alright, now let's download add-on vehicle spawner. To download it, you can go to gta5mods.com and then just type in add-on vehicle spawner on the search bar, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it'll bring you to this page. So once you're here, you can scroll down and read the descriptions and whatnot. Once you've done that, you can just click download and then click download again. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. And now just hit save and the download will start. Now, to make sure that add-on vehicle spawner is going to work properly, we'll also need Scribble V installed. If you haven't, you can go to the official website, which I will also put the link in the description. So once you're here, just hit download and then save it on your PC as well. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have add-on vehicle spawner and Scribble V in a zip file. Now, to start installing, you also need to open up your GTA 5 installation folder. If you don't know where, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location of the game. So if you install the game on the default location, you'll find it there. Now, if you still can't find it, you can locate it through your launcher. If you're on Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for your GTA 5 from the list. On the right, click the three dots, go to manage, and here click the folder icon to open the install location. If you're on Steam, you can do the same. Go to library, look for your GTA 5, right click on it, go to manage, and select browse local files. If you install GTA 5 through Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to settings on the top right, and then under my installed games, select GTA 5, and here you'll have an option to view installation folder. Just hit open and it'll open up your GTA 5 directory. Alright, now that you have your GTA 5 directory, we can start installing. But first, we need to extract the zip file. You can do that with WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just extract it right away. Just right click on the zip file, select extract all, and hit extract. Now you'll have it in a folder. Let's do the same for add-on spawner. Right click, extract all, and hit extract. Now we can remove the zip file and we can start by installing Scribble V. So open up the folder and then you want to go to the bin folder. Here, what you need is X input, Scribble V, and the input 8. If you want, you can also include args.txt, which is to disable Pedal or GTA Online anti-cheat. But here we'll disable it through Rockstar Games Launcher instead, so we're not going to include it. And also, if you don't have any trainer, you can include native trainer.asi. But for now, just select these three DLLs and you're going to put it into your GTA 5 main directory. Just drag and drop it like that, and Scribble V is installed. Now let's go back and install add-on spawner. So open up the folder, you'll have add-on spawner ASI and add-on spawner folder. There's a readme file, you can read it if you want to know exactly how to install it. But here, let me just show you. So to install add-on spawner, it's gonna put add-on spawner folder and add-on spawner ASI into your GTA 5 main directory. Simple as that. Just like before, we're gonna drag and drop it, and add-on spawner is installed. Now, one of my favorite features on add-on spawner is you can add image to your add-on vehicle. So here I have installed Ferrari F40 Competizione, and I want to put the car's image on add-on spawner's menu. For the picture itself, you can take it in game, or you can just download the picture of the vehicle. But here I'll just use the picture that PNGR already provided. Alright, so now I have the PNG, and to add it to add-on spawner, you're gonna go to your GTA 5 directory, look for add-on spawner, open it up, and then you want to go to AMG, and here just drag and drop your image into the AMG folder. But one thing you need to make sure is that the name of this PNG have to be the same as the spawn name. So if we go back to the vehicles page, scroll down here, the spawn name is this one, XKF40 Competizione. You're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna rename this PNG file to the exact name. But before you launch GTA 5 with mods, make sure you have disabled BetaLie. So on Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to settings, and here, make sure BetaLie is unchecked. Once it's unchecked, you can launch GTA 5 like normal. Alright, we're in the game now, and to open up the add-on spawner menu, you can press F5 in your keyboard. There we go. You'll see the menu on your screen, and here you can go to settings, search vehicles, spawn by name, and spawn official DLCs. So let's go to settings. You can tweak some settings here. Let's go back and go to search vehicles. And here you can see all of your add-on vehicles on the list. And also, because I installed the preview image instead of showing no image, you can see that the preview is the exact picture that I just installed. So that'd be it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.